Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eche. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So today we'll be making gizzard and plantain gizdodo. So we'll be making gizdodo, gizzard and plantain. So in making this, you need well-ripe plantain to make gizdodo. So in cutting it, you have to, cut it the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, so this is my well cut ripe plantain, ripe one. Then this is my well washed gizzard. So the next thing to do is to introduce the gizzard in an empty pot. Add in your onions, your maggi, your salt, your thyme, your curry. Okay, give that a good mix and cover and put on fire to cook. Okay, so you need to the gizzard is done now. You need to remove it from the pot and heat up oil to fry the gizzard. So make sure that the gizzard is well fried. Okay, remove that from the oil and use the same oil in frying the gizzard to fry your plantain. Okay, fry your plantain. When frying your plantain, make sure that the plantain is golden brown. So when your plantain is like this, you know it's done. Remove it from the oil and add in. You can decide to use bell pepper, you can decide to use plum, you can decide to use ordinary tomatoes. But what I use is, so I use plum in my own and some other mix as well. Green pepper, yellow bell pepper. So at this point, it's well fried. So I added in my gizzard and my plantain. Give that a good mix. I found out that it's dry, so that's why I'm adding water. Give that a good mix and cover for a while. So now our gizdodo is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.